In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zapier, QuickBooks Online, and ChatGPT to build an end-to-end profit and loss analysis automation. Let's get started. First, here's the end product we'll be creating together. Our Zap begins with a scheduled trigger at the start of each month, followed by a QuickBooks Online API request, and then an AI analysis step using ChatGPT. Finally, we'll convert our Markdown output to HTML so it can be delivered cleanly in a Microsoft Outlook email. This demonstration uses multiple apps to build a seamless workflow. In Zapier, our first step is always a trigger followed by an action. Our trigger will be scheduled by Zapier, set to run monthly. In the configuration, we'll choose the first day of the month, so the analysis arrives right at the beginning of the reporting period. We'll set the time to 8 a.m., so when we open Microsoft Outlook first thing in the morning, the report is already waiting in our inbox. Once we test our trigger, our schedule is ready. Next, our action will be a QuickBooks Online API request. We select QuickBooks Online as the app and choose the API request action event. After connecting our QuickBooks account, using a sandbox company in this demonstration, we configure the request. We set the HTTP method to GET, since we're retrieving data from QuickBooks. Then we enter the API URL. QuickBooks Online provides an API explorer that documents all available endpoints, including the one for the profit and loss report. In the video notes, I'll include these links for easy reference. For the URL structure, a sandbox account begins with https://sandbox-quickbooks.api.intuit.com, while a production account removes the sandbox portion. After the base URL, we include /v3/company, followed by the company ID, then /report/profit-and-loss. You can also optionally include query parameters for start and end dates, but we'll keep it simple here. Once we test the step and receive a valid response, indicated by a status code of 200, we know the API request is working correctly. Now that we have the raw profit and loss data, we can bring in the AI analysis. We use the AI by Zapier app and select the custom prompt option. For the model, we'll use GPT-4o Mini, but many other models are available, including Anthropic and Google. We create an input field named Data and map it to the output of our QuickBooks API request. Our prompt instructs the AI. You are a financial analyst specializing in QuickBooks Online data interpretation. Your task is to analyze a profit and loss statement retrieved via the QuickBooks API and provide actionable insights. We specify that the input will contain the report header, column headers, rows, and net income. We then outline the analysis framework, revenue trends, cost structure analysis, profitability metrics, red flags and concerns, and cash flow implications. Finally, we specify the exact output format, including headings like profit and loss report, reporting period, executive summary, key metrics, revenue insights, expense analysis, and critical findings and recommendations. This ensures a structured, professional result that works well in an email. After generating a preview, we confirm that our Markdown output looks correct. Next, we prepare the email step in Microsoft Outlook. Outlook allows us to send the body as either text or HTML. Because our AI output is in Markdown, sending it as plain text would display the raw symbols. Instead, we convert the Markdown to HTML using Zapier's Formatter tool. We choose text, select the Convert Markdown to HTML option, and map in the AI output. Once tested, the resulting HTML correctly converts headings and structure. We then return to the Outlook step, set the body format to HTML, and map in our formatted HTML content. After a quick test, we confirm that the email sends successfully. Now we have a fully automated monthly profit and loss report that arrives at 8 a.m. on the first of each month, without ever needing to manually log into QuickBooks or run a report. This automation saves time, reduces manual steps, and provides instant high-level insights using Zapier, QuickBooks, and AI to support faster, data-driven decision-making. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It goes a long way. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.